Hello, students, again. Welcome back to the family Exact City. So, this video is the most requested video from the students who are planning to write their IELTS by 1st July 2021. So, we already updated the prediction video for LRW, and this one for a writing section tasked you essay questions which you want to prepare for your test date. Definitely, you will get one topic out of this, not the same question, the topic. Okay, it's for both academic and general module. So let's start with our video now. So the first question is under reading. Some people say that the best way for children to learn to read is by using online materials. Others say that printed materials should be used. Discuss both the views and give your opinion. So you want to write about both the side, about the importance of online materials and also about the printed materials. And in the third body paragraph, you can give your opinion. Next topic under family. Children who grown up in families which are short of money are better prepared with the problems of adult life than children who are brought up by wealthy parents. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under to what extent type of question. So it's better to write about the children who brought up in wealthy family, what all are the advantages, and also about the children who brought up in financially strapped family, what all are the effect. Okay, about both the side. Next, about the people and characters. Some people say that parents have the most important role in a child's development. However, others argue that other things like television or friends have the most significant influence. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. You want to discuss about both the side, about the importance of parents and also about the influence of television and friends, that side too, and write your opinion in third body paragraph. You can cite any particular point or you can be in balance. Next topic about globalization. The spread of multinational companies and the increase in globalization produce positive effect for everyone. Do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under one-sided opinion essay. Either you can agree or you can disagree and try to give proper reasons, at least two reasons behind your point of view with relevant explanation and examples. Next topic under tourism. Some people believe that tourists should accept social and environmental responsibility, while others believe that tourists should not accept any responsibility at all. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also, whenever they ask like to what extent, it's better to write about the agreement side and also about the disagreement side. Okay. So here you need to mention why they want to take the responsibility, and in second body paragraph why they don't want to take the responsibility. Okay, next under language. In order to learn a language well, we should also learn about the country as well as the culture and lifestyle of the people who speak this language. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So try to mention how the knowledge about a country help us to learn a particular language, and also how this culture and lifestyle influences us to learn a language in different body paragraph. Okay, moving on to the next topic, it's under sports. Nowadays, sports is becoming a business, and more professionals and big companies are getting involved in sporting events. Do you think it is a positive or a negative development? So it's coming under opinion type essay. Either you can set it as a positive development or negative development. And if you think that if it is becoming a business means, or the professionals and big companies are involving means, it have positive side and also negative side means, you can mention like that. Okay, positive development in one body paragraph and negative development in the second body paragraph. Third body paragraph is not so mandatory. If you have points means, you can add that too. Next topic under urbanization. The movement of people from agricultural area to cities to work can cause serious problems in both places. What are the serious problems and what measures can be taken to solve this problem? So it's coming under problem solution essay or situational type of essay. You need to mention what all are the problems it caused in both the places. That means in urban area and also in rural area, and how we can manage it. Next topic under food. In many countries, people buy imported food rather than food produced locally. Why do people do that? How can people be encouraged to eat locally produced food? It's also coming under problem solution essay. It's not a two-part essay. By seeing these two questions, don't misunderstand that it's two-part essay. It's coming under problem solution essay. In problem solution essay, they will use the words like causes, effect, problem, solution, like that. Okay. Next, under education, some people believe that everyone has the right to university education. Therefore, government should make university education free for everyone, no matter what their financial background is. So, to what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay, so here also we have an extension you need to mention about the agreement and disagreement side. Next, under buildings, some people believe that government should spend on new public buildings such as libraries and museums rather than renovating all buildings. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also coming under to what extent you need to mention about the importance of new building and also about the renovation of all building. Next topic under telecommuting. Many employees may work at home with the modern technology. Some people claim that it can be benefit only the workers, not the employers. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. So try to give relevant reasons under your opinion. Next topic under children. Some people think that nowadays children have too much freedom. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree. Try to give relevant reasons. Next topic under waste and garbage. Actually, it's coming under environment only. I just specifically mentioned the topic. Nowadays, in many countries, household waste, that is food packaging, is increasing day by day. So, what are the causes for that? That means what are the reasons behind increasing of this particular trend, and how can this problem be solved? What are things we need to do as an individual or from the society? Then you can suggest some solution from government authority also to avoid these household waste and food wastages. Okay. Next, under gender and work, some people believe that women should play an equal role as men in countries, police force or military force such as the army, while others think women are not suitable for this kind of job. So discuss both views and give your opinion. You want to discuss about both the side in support of women who are working under military force and all, and opposing point. Then try to give your opinion. What do you think? Whether you are supporting or opposing this argument. Okay. Next, under leisure time, some people say that parents should organize free time activities for their children. Others say children should be free to choose what they do in their free time. Discuss both side and opine. You need to mention about both the side. So advantages of parents who are arranging the timetable, and the next side about the children who are arranging their own time, their own leisure time. Okay. Next, under art, many people regard films as less important form of art than literature and painting. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree and give relevant reasons. Next, under advertisements, there is an increasing amount of advertising directed at children, which encourages them to buy goods such as toys and snacks. Many parents are worried that these advertisements put too much pressure on children, while some advertisers claim that they provide useful information to children. So, discuss both views and give your own opinion. So, about the negative side of advertisement, how it negatively affect the child development or child activities and all, and second body paragraph in support of advertisement, it is useful for the child development and all, like that, and try to give your opinion. Next, under government role, some people think that government should pay for healthcare and education, but other people claim that it is the individual responsibility. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So first body about in support of government role, government should spend for healthcare and education, what are the benefits and what's the need behind that. And second body paragraph about the individual responsibility, it's the individual responsibility, like that. Next, under materialism, it has been suggested that everyone in the world wants to own a car, a TV, and fridge. Do you think the disadvantages of such a development outweigh the advantages? So it's coming under outweigh type of question. Here also no need to mention a direct opinion, but you need to mention which one outweigh the another, and try to give more importance towards the disadvantages of such a development about this materialism. Next, under youngsters, nowadays young people are admiring media and sports stars even though they do not set a good example. Do you think it is a positive or negative development? So if you believe that it have positive and negative, means you can be in balance, right about both the side. or else you can be in one side, it's a positive development, or you can write it as a negative development. Next, under crimes, certain people believe that the only way to reduce crime is sentencing criminals for longer time periods. Sentencing means long term prison, while others believe alternative methods should be used to avoid crimes. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So in the first body paragraph, you can write about this long term prison, how it helps, and in the second body paragraph, you can mention about the alternative methods like education, vocational training, rehabilitation, and all. Next, under globalization, there are more new towns being built nowadays. It is more important to include public parks and sports facilities than shopping centers for individuals to spend their free time. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So try to mention about the importance of public parks, sports facilities, and also about the importance of shopping centers, because it's coming under to what extent type of question. Next, under animals, in the modern world, it is no longer necessary to use animals for food or use animal products, for instance, clothing and medicines. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this also coming under balanced opinion type essay. Try to mention about the agreement and disagreement side. Next, under information technology, more and more people are using computers and other electronic devices to access information. So, printing of books, magazines, and newspapers should not be done. Do you agree or disagree with this? If they are asking like this, means either you can agree or you can disagree. The same question you can expect under to what extent type 2. If they are asking for under to what extent, means try to mention about both the side. That means about the importance of printed medias and also about the online platforms. Next, under news and newspaper, although nowadays people are reading news through internet, newspapers still remain of value. Do you agree or disagree? So mostly they will ask about the questions under these technologies and about these news updates, and also try to collect some points under these topics. Okay. Next, under music, some people think music plays an important role in society. Others think it is simply a form of entertainment. Discuss both of the argument and give your own opinion. So try to mention about both the side. That means about the music plays an important role in society, about the cultural importance, about how much it will carry our custom, tradition, history, and all. Then, as an leisure time activity in the second body paragraph. Next topic, under history, it is more important for school children to learn local history than world history. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's also balanced opinion type essay. Try to mention about the importance of local history and also about the global history. Next, about the health and exercise. Health experts believe that walking is a good exercise for health. However, people are walking less nowadays. Why is this? What are the reasons behind this? How can people be encouraged to walk more? That means what are other solutions? How we can encourage the people to walk more? We should make them aware about the importance of walking, right? So next, under mobile phones, the use of mobile phones should be banned in public spaces as libraries, transportation, and shops. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So you need to write about the importance of banning mobile phone, and also if we are in emergency situation, how much mobile phones help us. So here also you need to be partially agree with the statement. Next, under museums and art galleries. In many countries, mainly tourists but not local people visit museums and historical sites. What does this happen and what can be done to attract more local people to visit these places? It's also coming under problem solution essay. Why this happened? What are the reasons behind this? And suggest some solutions. Okay, you need to mention about the problems and solutions. Next, under energy sources, fossil fuels like coal, oil, natural gas are the main sources in many countries, but in some countries, the use of alternative sources of energy like wind energy and solar energy are encouraged. To what extent do you think it is a positive or negative development? So, try to mention about how it become a positive development and also about the negative development, and try to give proper examples along with the explanation. Don't leave any body paragraph without examples. Okay, example is that much important in our IELTS essay. Next, coming under science and technology, due to the development in science and technology, lifestyle of people across the world are becoming more and more similar to each other. Do you think it is a positive or a negative development? The people are look similar, all everyone are following same trend and all, whether it is a positive development or negative development. So according to your point, you can arrange it as one sided or balanced opinion type essay. So next, under sports and games, some people think sports and games are important for society, while others believe they should be taken as leisure activity. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. So try to discuss about both the side and in the third body paragraph with your opinion with proper explanation. Example is not important if you are writing your opinion means. Next, under communication technology, some people think that increasing communication usage of computers and mobile phones by young people has had a negative effect on the reading and writing skills. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay, it's also opinion type essay. Next, under old versus young, old about the old age people. Nowadays, older people who need employment have to compete with younger people. What problems does it cause and what are the solutions? It's coming under problem solution essay. So, what are the causes it cause? It will cause high pressure among the old generation. It will result in the health problems, then emotional stress and all. So, and what all are the solutions? Next, under travel and work, after completing high school and before going to college or university, some students take a year off either to work or travel. What do you think is better? What do you think is better? That means traveling or working. Discuss the advantage and disadvantage of both approaches. You need to mention about the importance. That means the both side advantage and disadvantage for traveling and also about the working. Okay, so before joining for tertiary education, that means after completing secondary and before joining for university, they are taking a year break for working or traveling. So, advantage and disadvantage of this. So, next topic under urban and rural areas. As transport and accommodation problems are increasing in many cities, some governments are encouraging businesses to move to rural areas. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So, it's also coming under discussion type essay and that also outweigh type. Here, you need to give more importance towards the advantages of this particular movement. Okay, so try to write the advantages in two different body paragraph and third body about the disadvantages. Next, under environment, some people think that it is more important to plant trees in open areas of towns and cities than to build more housing. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So, it's coming under to what extent. So, try to give the importance of planting trees and also about the importance of more housing areas, more buildings. Okay, in different body paragraph. Next, about food and health. Some people think that government should subsidize fruits and vegetables to make healthy food cheaper. Others argue that tax should be set on unhealthy food. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So try to discuss about both this argument and give your opinion at the third body paragraph with proper explanation and example. Next, under social activities, it is suggested that all young adults should undertake a period of unpaid work helping people in the community. That means under charity organization or social activity, they should involve in social activities. Does it bring more benefits or drawback to the young people? So it's also like a positive or negative development. So either you can give more importance towards the benefits, or if you think that positive and negative side is there means you can write like that. So, next under traditions, many people think young people should follow traditions. Others argue that young people should be free to be individuals. Discuss both views. You need to discuss both the sides. It's coming under discussion type essay. No need to write your opinion. Next topic, transportation. People have to spend more and more time to travel from their home for jobs and study. What are the reasons? How can we solve this problem? It's coming under problem solution essay. You need to give proper reasons and try to give proper solutions. Next, under youngsters, the most important decision that young people have to follow is what career to choose. Do you agree or disagree? So, either you can agree if you think that it is the most important decision. Disagree means try to mention about the other important decisions in their life. Next, under celebrities and media, in some countries, celebrities complain that the way media publicize their private lives, some people say that they should accept it as a part of their fame. Do you agree or disagree? Either you can agree or you can disagree with this. Try to give proper reasons. If you think that it is quite normal, means you can agree with this. Next topic, children and computer games. Some people say that playing computer games is bad for children, whereas others say that it has positive effect on the way children develop to improve their hand and eye coordination or to improve their IQ level and all. So discuss both sides and give your opinion. Try to give your opinion in the third body paragraph. Next, under news media, some people think that the news media nowadays have influenced people's life in negative ways. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So it's coming under to what extent. So try to give the importance of news media in our daily life and about the negative ways also. That means you need to partially agree with this statement. Next, under fashion and technology. People are encouraged to get rid of things in order to get to the newest fashion and latest technology. Do the disadvantages of a throwaway society outweigh the economic advantages? So it's also coming under outweigh type of questions. You need to give importance towards the disadvantages of throwaway society in two different body paragraph, and about the economic advantages in the third body paragraph. Okay. Then the next topic and the last topic, educational platforms. Many people use distance learning programs to study at home, but some people think that it cannot bring the benefits as much as attending college or university. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So here also you need to mention about the importance of online platforms, that means online educational programs, and also about the traditional classroom programs into different body paragraph. So that's all about these essay topics. I know that the topics are little bit more because I just want to mention under academic and gender module. That's why. So try to collect some points under each topic. So definitely it will help you out in your real exam. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.